How to import landscape heightmaps in Unreal Engine 5. First, we enter the landscape, and now I select the import from file, and select the heightmap file. Select this, and open it. And our heightmap is here. And now you can change this value. But I want it to set default value. I import it. And you need to wait for a while. Yeah, you can see our heightmap is successful to import in Unreal Engine 5. And now I enter the select mode and then rebuild it. Yeah, I don't want this one, and I select all of them and delete it. Yeah, this is our heightmaps. Also, you can change this value. And you can see our landscape is successful to building. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.